Hi, let's practice some real English conversations together. Today, we'll cover a few useful situations you can really use.
Hey, do you know where the meeting is?
I don't know. Actually, I'm not sure. Let me check and get back to you.
Thanks, that sounds more helpful.
Stop saying, I don't know. Say this instead, and sound smarter. Are you free to help me with this project?
I'm busy. Actually, I have a lot on my plate right now. Can we talk later?
Thanks. That sounds more polite.
Stop saying, I'm busy. Say this instead, and sound smarter.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Actually, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
That sounds much better.
Stop saying I'm fine. Say this instead and sound more alive.
Did you watch the new Superman movie?
Yes, I saw it last night.
How was it?
It was really good. Better than I expected.
Who plays Superman this time?
David Corenswet. He's new, but really good.
Is it part of the old DC movies?
No, it's a new version. They call it a reboot.
I see. I want to watch it this weekend.
You should. My son loved it. That's why he's dressed like Superman now.
Oh, that's so cute.
Excuse me, can I ask how to use the ticket machine?
Sure. Just tap English, select your station, and insert cash. It gives change, and the ticket prints out below.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Hi, I'd like a tall, iced caramel macchiato with almond milk, please.
Sure. Would you like it sweetened or unsweetened?
Just lightly sweetened. And can I add an extra shot?
Of course. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Great. Your total is $5.75. Please wait at the pickup counter.
Excuse me, can we get the bill, please?
Should we split it or run?
Let's split it. I forgot my running shoes.
Fair enough. Next time we run.
Deal, but remind me to bring my sneakers next time.
Good morning. Can I help you with your luggage?
Yes, please. Could you help me put this bag in the overhead compartment?
Of course. Let me help you with that.
Thank you. Also, could I have a blanket, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks. Now I just need a window seat for the perfect nap.
Hi. Are you traveling alone?
Hey, yeah, just me. First time in Thailand.
Really? Welcome to Thailand. How long have you been here?
Only 3 days, but I love it already. The food, the people, amazing.
Thank you. What Thai food have you tried so far?
Pad Thai, mango sticky rice, and I think it's called Tom Yum.
Yes, Tom Yum is a must. Did you like it?
Loved it. It was spicy, but so flavorful. I'm still sweating from it.
You're brave. Most foreigners can't handle the spice.
Well, I'm trying to be local.
That's cool. Your English sounds very clear, of course, but you speak slowly. It's nice.
And your English is really, really good. I'm impressed.
Aw, thanks. I've been practicing a lot.
It shows. Seriously. You're easier to understand than some native speakers.
That's the best compliment.
You live in Bangkok?
Yes, born and raised here. I love this city.
I can see why. Everyone's so friendly.
That's true. We love welcoming guests.
I'll be back for sure.
Let me know when you do.
Hi, I really like this bag. How much is it?
Hi, it's $35. Handmade. Very good quality.
It's nice, but a bit expensive for me. Can you do 25?
25? That's too low. How about 30?
I'll think about it. Can I look around first?
Sure, but I can give it to you for 28 if you take it now.
28. Okay, deal.
Great choice. Do you want a bag for it?
No thanks. I'll carry it. And thank you for the discount.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day. Great job! You just practiced real conversations you can use every day. If you liked this video, subscribe and check out more on our channel. See you next time.